Okay, I'm back. And it hasn't been that long, so this isn't super dry yet, but you can still see the difference. And this is the one that has no primer. And so you can still see, a lot of the dimpling there, and you can kind of see a little bit more through it. And this is the one that has primer. So definitely less dimpling, and it's not as see-through as the other one because it's stuck more. And has better wear. So here's our two limes. Now I'm going to go ahead and use just my finger. First of all, I'm going to use my favorite cleanser ever. This is the TimeWise Repair Voluform Foaming Cleanser. Oh my goodness, this cleanser is awesome. And really, anytime I show this cleanser with our Skin Vigorite brush, even if it's on the back of the hand, people are blown away. Like, it's the most amazing cleanser. I don't care if you don't use the whole repair line. Maybe you don't need that for your skin. You don't need the repair, but just the cleanser itself is amazing. So we're going to use the repair cleanser on both of them. I'm going to use the same amount of cleanser, but on one of them I'm going to use my fingers, and then the other one I'm going to use the Skin Vigorite brush. And I really just want to show y'all the difference and the deeper cleanse that you get when you use the brush, because you guys, there's an 85% deeper cleanse when you use our cleansing brush, the Skin Vigorite brush. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use my cleanser, and all you need, seriously, is like a pea-size amount, because this really foams up. The more water you add and you move it around, it foams up and it starts working super good. And I'm even going to do, I'll do the one without the primer, okay? So I'm going to let it be easier when I'm using just my fingers, and then I'm going to use the other one that locks the foundation on with the cleansing brush, because I'm going to show you just how awesome it is. So I have some water. I'm just going to dip my fingers in the water, and we'll start on this one. And so I'm just going to move that all around. This is the cleanser. I'll get a little bit more water. And so on your face, you can see, the foundation's starting to come off. I'm having to rub pretty hard. I'll go ahead and get a little bit more water and rinse my fingers off. And this is just because, you guys, our face is just like this. We all have pores, and so when you're using just your fingertips, you're not getting as deep of a clean, because, pores are down in there. And so unless you're rubbing super, super, super hard, then you're not getting as much of a good clean. But you can see I've gone over this bad boy quite a bit. And numerous times. And you can still see some in the pores. This is crazy. Okay, now with the other one, I'm going to get it wet and just move the product around a little bit. And remember, this one has the primer on it, so it's really locking my foundation there in place. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the Skin Vigorite brush, and I'll show that to y'all real quick. So I love this thing. This is our brush. It's battery operated. The batteries go in this bottom compartment. It has an on-off button, so you just can turn that on, and you can adjust the speed right here on this top button. So you can slow it down, or you can speed it up. If you have sensitive skin, I suggest you use it on the slow one. Otherwise, super simple. These bristles are amazing. I like that the head is smaller than some of the other brands, because you can really get like a focused cleanse. And all you do is, I get mine wet underneath the sink. For today's purposes, I'm going to get it wet just right here in my little bowl of water. And then I'm going to turn it on, and we're going to put it right here over, and I'm dripping, on our lime. Let's go ahead and turn the speed down. And rinse the brush off a little bit. But you can see almost instantly, because of the bristles and the spin action, it's able to get right in there and get down into the pores, so, as you would call it. And that's just water I have, and I'm just rinsing that off. So, you guys, that was like 2 seconds that I spun the brush on there. And this is just using my fingertips and working the cleanser around, and this was 2 seconds of the Skin Vigorite brush. And you can see that the makeup is not down in the pores. It was able to just come off super easily, and it's here on the brush, the foundation. So that makes a huge difference. So if I was going to highlight products for my customers, which I am, believe me, I'm going to do the challenge as well for the 60 items sold, and I want to have the most in too, because we have so much to do to reach our goal. And so I'm going to highlight for sure the Skin Vigorite brush, the repair cleanser, and do it on your hand. Just do like Maybe try one cleanser compared to the other, and maybe do this demo yourself. It's awesome. The proof is definitely in the pudding. But the foundation primer, the foundation, we of course have seen videos, using like the cream shadow and eyeliner and going underwater and it doesn't wash off, using eye makeup remover maybe to take that off. Those are, simple 3 items. Maybe it's a lip liner, a lipstick, and the translucent powder, and showing how that stays on. So guys, we can all do this. I definitely urge you all to give it a shot. If you've never worked towards a goal in your business up to this point, we really could use you to just give it a shot. Why not give yourself, 3.5 weeks to really work your Mary Kay business, to get out there, to show products to people, to talk to customers. Our stuff is awesome. It has a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So there's nothing to lose, and letting your customers see these amazing products and showing them how they work. And that's what we do. We let women try before they buy. And so you can, go to them, have them try it, do little demos, having them watch a video, and tell them about your challenge and that you would love to have them in there, and be able to write down your 60 items. So I hope that helps. Please stay plugged in to the Facebook group, to your emails. You're probably going to get more communication now than you would normally. So we don't do that to be annoying. It's just to keep everybody updated, because we are a team and we got to do this together. So I appreciate you. If you do nothing else, then I would totally appreciate just your prayers. That all of us stay strong and focused, and that our efforts will be blessed this month. So I appreciate you. Have a most amazing Saturday. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.